Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are going to be making bitter leaf soup. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my bitter leaf soup. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across my video for the first time, you're welcome. Please do well to like this video, share, comment, subscribe. Okay, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, in the pot I've already added my beef and onions. I've gone now to add my pepper, my seasoning cube, and some salt. Okay, then I'll stir this around and I'll allow it. I'm going to steam the meat for like 3 minutes so that the meat can bring out its own juice. Then we'll come back. All right, so guys, I'm going to add in water now. This is the plate I use for my pepper, so I just mixed it inside. You're going to add enough water to cook your soup, so we'll allow this to cook now and we'll come back. So guys, I'm going to add in my fish, my smoked fish, my dry smoked fish. I'll add it in now. This fish has so much bone. Don't know what they call this fish. Since it says red sniper, being what? Huh? Stock has been boiling. I'm going in now with my crayfish. And my red oil. I'll go in now with my cocoyam. I'll allow this cocoyam to dissolve. I'll allow it to cook for like 2 minutes or more, just for it to dissolve. Then come to add in our bitter leaf. Our soup is almost ready, guys, as you can see. So guys, I'm going in now with my ogiri. So guys, I will let everything dissolve and then we'll come back. So guys, I'm going in now with my bitter leaf. I'll add in my bitter leaf now. Already washed. going to stir this now. Allow it to boil like 5 minutes, then our soup is ready. If you are watching me up to this point, you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Like this video, comment, share this video, like it. By liking this video, it shows me that you love my video. If you love this video, please help me to click on the like button. All right, so we'll come back after 5 minutes. So guys, our soup is ready now. Look at that, looking so yummy, yummy, yummy. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel. Like my video, comment on my video. All right guys, I see you next time. Bye.